Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from RealtyMogul to your bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To initiate a withdrawal from RealtyMogul to your bank account, begin by logging into your RealtyMogul account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Withdraw or Withdraw Funds. Click on this option to proceed. You will then see a withdrawal request form. Fill in the required information, including the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method. Typically, this will be a transfer to your linked bank account. If you have not linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one. To do this, locate the Settings or Account Settings section. Find the option to add or edit bank account details. Input your bank account information accurately for a successful transfer. Double-check all entries for correctness before saving. Once your bank account is linked, return to the withdrawal request form. Confirm the details of your withdrawal once more. Then, submit your withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation notification on the screen. RealtyMogul will process your request, which may take a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your transaction status. After processing, check your bank account to confirm the deposit. If there are any issues, contact RealtyMogul customer support for assistance. Stay informed about any fees or limits related to withdrawals. This completes the process of withdrawing funds from RealtyMogul to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.